Welcome to our review of the Verbatim Slimline full-size wired keyboard. The keyboard is designed for both home and office use and promises a comfortable and efficient typing experience. Now let's dive into the depths of this video. The Verbatim Slimline full-size wired keyboard features a sleek and slim design which is perfect for those who prefer a minimalist look. The keyboard is made of high-quality materials and has a solid build that is sure to last for years. The keys are well spaced and have a low profile, making them easy to type on without having to apply too much pressure. The keyboard is designed with ergonomics in mind and offers a comfortable typing experience. The low-profile keys require minimal efforts to press, and the typing sound is relatively low, making it ideal for those who prefer a quieter typing experience. The keyboard also has adjustable legs that can be used to change the angle of the keyboard to suit your preferences. The Verbatim Slimline full-size wired keyboard is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, making it a versatile option for those who use multiple devices. The keyboard connects to your computer using a USB cable which is included in the box. The keyboard is easy to use and requires no additional software or drivers to be installed. Simply plug in the USB cable and you are ready to start typing. The keys are labeled clearly and there are no additional buttons or features that could confuse users. The keyboard has several additional features that are worth mentioning. It includes 15 shortcut keys that allows you to quickly access common functions such as volume control and media playback. The keyboard also has a built-in numeric keypad which is perfect for those who need to do a lot of numerical data entry. Overall, the Verbatim Slimline full-size wired keyboard is an excellent option for those who are looking for a comfortable, efficient and versatile keyboard. It has a sleek and slim design, solid build quality and several additional features that make it stand out from other keyboards in this price range. While it may not be the best option for those who need to use this keyboard in low light conditions, it's still a great choice for anyone who values comfort and efficiency when typing. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.